Hey y'all, good morning. I know I'm up early. I think it's like 7. It's gotta be 7:23 or something like that. Cause I'm waiting for the buffet to open. I went to my dining room to eat breakfast, but they're not doing breakfast this morning, so I had to give me a bowl of cereal. Cause the buffet is not open yet, but they will be open at 7:30. So I'm eating a bowl of cereal till they open. And trust me, I'm sitting right here. As soon as he moved them placards off that buffet line, I'm just be right over there. But anyway, I'm just sitting here by the ocean. We on our way back home, and I will. Yeah, I posted a lot of videos. They're not uploading. Like you probably won't get this one until tonight sometime, but it is morning, and I'm just patiently waiting for the buffet line to open. I ain't had a bowl of cereal since, let me see, since I was a vegetarian. That was probably 5 years ago. But anyway, a girl was hungry, so I'm gonna eat this and eat a little yogurt. So I'm gonna get back with y'all in just a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and try to post this little video right here while I can. And that's so beautiful, y'all. I'll holler at y'all in a minute.